Welcome all to IOPSA's Health and Safety Talks. Working at height means work in any place where, if there were no precautions in place, a person could fall a distance liable to cause personal injury. What do I have to do before starting to work at a height? Make sure work is properly planned, supervised, and carried out by competent people with the skills, knowledge, and experience to do the job. You must use the right type of equipment for working at height. Take a sensible approach when considering precautions. Low-risk, relatively straightforward tasks will require less effort when it comes to planning, and there may be some low-risk situations where common sense tells you that no particular precautions are necessary. Do's and don'ts of working at heights. Do as much work as possible from the ground. Ensure workers can get to and from where they work at height. Ensure equipment is suitable, stable, and strong enough for the job, maintained and checked regularly. Take precautions when working on or near fragile surfaces. Provide protection from falling objects. Consider emergency evacuation and rescue procedures. Don't overload ladders. Consider the equipment or materials workers are carrying before working at height. Check the pictogram or label on the ladder for information. Don't overreach on ladders or step ladders. Don't rest a ladder against a weak upper surface, for example, glazing or plastic gutters. Don't use ladders or step ladders for strenuous or heavy tasks. Only use them for light work of short duration, such as a maximum of 30 minutes at a time. Don't let anyone who is not competent or doesn't have the skills, knowledge, or experience to do the job work at a height. Common causes of accidents when working at height. Roof work is high risk, and falls from roofs, through fragile roofs, and fragile roof lights are one of the common causes of workplace death and serious injury. As well as in construction, these accidents can also occur on roofs of factories, warehouses, and farm buildings when roof repair work or cleaning is being carried out. The following are fragile. Roof lights, liner panels on built-up sheeted roofs, non-reinforced fiber cement sheets, corroded metal sheets, glass including wired glass, slates and tiles. Scaffold safety. All scaffolding on site needs to be erected by a trained scaffold erector. The following points should be checked before working on scaffolding. Scaffold safe for use signage in place. Double check the erector and ensure the following points are in place on a safe scaffold erection. Is the scaffolding supported by base jacks or supports? Is the scaffolding stable? Does the scaffolding have access ladders or stairs in place? Is the work platform secure? Does the scaffolding have fall protection? One should never overload the work platform. PPE for working at heights. All construction sites require standard PPE to be worn at all times, but when working at heights, one requires additional safety PPE. Reflective vest, hard hats, safety boots, overalls, and a safety harness. One should always ensure that your safety harness is on and attached to fall protection lines or safety points at all times. Ask a fellow worker to inspect and double-check your safety harness before you start to work. Ladder safety. One should always make a note of the following key points when working with a ladder. Ensure the ladder has no loose, damaged, or missing parts. Ensure the ladder is properly erected and secure. Ensure the ladder projects at least 1 meter above the landing place. Ensure the ladder is set to a 75-degree angle and is firm on the ground. One ladder, one person. Keep 3 limbs on the ladder at all times, 2 feet in one hand, or 2 hands and 1 foot. Always carry tools up a ladder in a tool belt or pouch and not in your hands. Top of ladder should never be used as a step. Make sure you use the correct ladder for the job. That concludes our health and safety lesson. Thank you for watching this critical industry. Remember, be aware, take care. For more videos, lessons, webinars, and resources on health and safety, go to the IOPSA website at www.iopsa.org or www.plumbershop.org or contact Kayla on 086 10 Plumber.